Where are we going today? Where are we going?
Farm.
A farm. Clever girl. And what are we going to see at the farm? What are we going to see?
Farm. Goat.
Goats. And what else?
Pig.
Pigs. Clever girl.
Sheep.
We're going to see the sheeps.
Yeah. Bok.
Bok. You're going to feed the sheeps a bok.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so clever.
Sheep. Bok.
Okay.
Okay.
All right then. Let's kiss. Mwah. Oh. That'll do. I want to feed the baby. Brown guy. He was nasty to him. You fatty. You see this? Do you like him? Take this out. Like him? Don't touch the fence. Are they nice? Say hi, piggies. What do you say? They're not rhinos. It's a pig. It's a pig. Say hello, pigs. Hey? You're saying hello to the piggies. Say hello, baby pig. There's a mummy pig, isn't it? She's a big pig, isn't she?
Yeah? There it comes. Listen to the little goat. Oh, it's coming back from there. Listen to the little goat. Ready? And then listen to the goat.
He's saying, stroke me, Isla. What is that, Isla? What are you looking at?
Goat.
They're proper baby goats, them ones, aren't they?
Goat. Baby goat. Carrot.
Oh, see that one jump then? Yeah, you quickly got down then, didn't you?
Goat.
Hello, goat.
Rabbit.
Ready? Watch them jump down. Ready? Ready? Steady.
Goat. Yeah. Goat.
Trying to escape, isn't he?
Oh, come here then.
His little legs.
Bye-bye.
Oh no, he's fell. He was never going to make it really though, was he? He's trying to get to the other one, isn't he? I wonder if it's like mating season.
Turtle boy.
Turtle boy! It is, isn't it? What is it, Anna?
Bubba.
Is it a turtle?
What is it? What are we looking at, Isles? Are they horses? What do you say? You say, hi horses. They love
Goat. Where will goat?
Yeah, there's more goats, isn't there?
It's a goat.
Oh, yeah, the goats.
It's a cow. It's a cow. Hey.
That's a sheep, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, these big.
There was like a buffalo thing that side then.
And they're pigs.
Beep beep, is that what the train did?
Hello.
Alright, be gentle then.
I'm only being like this, determined with
Be
Speedy, because
gentle.
Speedy used to be mine, so
Oh, okay.
Speedy's not as quick as she used to be.
I'm going to stroke the rabbit. Like this. You stroke it.
Speedy will sit.
Hey, go on, that's okay. Go on. Good girl. Clever girl, Alice.
Stroke him on the top of his head. That's it.
Can you hear the noise?
Oh.
Can you hear the noise that they're making? They're going.
Mommy, hold it. Mommy, hold it.
Hear the noise. Do you want it on your knee? You ready? Clever girl. Do you want me to take her off? Do you want a bath?
Yeah.
Okay then. But Mummy has to help hold her, okay? You not want her? It's at the park. Got to eat your food first though.
Want some more chicken?
Chicken. Once you've eaten, yeah.
Here you go.
Cold. Cold.
What, it's cold? Crazy girl. We're having a packed lunch, aren't we? There's the park. Daddy's made us some lovely sandwiches this morning, hasn't he?
Nice.
Yeah. Sit down, please, whilst you're eating.
Hey.
Sit down whilst you're eating. Good girl. Feet. Which feet? Can you see where the goats are? Hello. Mummy did it. What, you want to get in it with Daddy?
Yeah.
This way. Watch this. Hold on.
Whoa. Watch where you're walking.
Put your feet on the back foot. That's it. One more.
Clever girl.
Ready? Hook. You gotta sit with me. Ready? Ready?
Come on.
Ready?
Amber.
It's your team. It's your
Lovely cow and the baby cow. But you're far more interested in picking up stones off the floor.
cold.
Leave the stones, Babs, it's yucky. Come on, look at the cows instead. Look at the... I like the baby cow either. I think he's lovely.
There you go.
Hey! Be nice! Say naughty goat.
There you go.
Big meanie. Come on, Az. You have to share now.
Last bit.
Oh, God.
Ew. You can have the last little bit.